everyone, today I'm going to talk about sciatica pain and some yoga poses to provide relief from it. Sciatica is a sharp pain or burning sensation that radiates down your leg from your hip. Some yoga poses can help you ease the pain from sciatica. Let me show you. The first pose is Bhujangasana or the Cobra Pose. This asana is very beneficial if your sciatica is due to L4, L5 or L5-S1 acute disc bulge. In this case, asanas that focus on extensions are recommended to ensure that the disc that is bulging goes back to its place. We are going to modify our arm position and execute this pose. Now, how to do this pose? Lie on your abdomen with your palms and forearms flat on the mat on either side. Inhaling, press your palms and think of pushing the floor away as you raise your upper body. Make sure your shoulders are pressed down and not reaching your ears. Stay in this pose for 10 seconds. Remember, if this causes pain, lower your upper body and get into Sphinx pose instead by placing your forearms on the mat and bringing the elbows underneath your shoulders. Maintain the pose for 10 seconds with normal breathing. Exhaling, lower your upper body to starting position. Repeat this pose 3 times. Avoid this pose in cases of hernia, ulcers and injury to the wrists, ribs, hips and elbows. The next pose is single leg Pawanmuktasana or single leg wind releasing pose. This pose as well as the next pose is recommended if your sciatica is due to canal stenosis or piriformis syndrome. This pose has the added benefit of improving your digestion and providing relief in lower back pain. To do this pose, let's lie down on our back, legs extended, feet together and palms facing down on either side of our body. First, take a deep breath in and then exhaling, fold your left leg and bring it closer to your upper body. Interlock your fingers and place it on the shin and use it to apply a little pressure to get the leg closer. Do as much as comfortable. Stay in this pose with normal breathing for 10 seconds. Inhaling, release the fingers and lengthen your leg and exhaling, place the leg gently down on the mat. Repeat the same with the other leg to complete one set. First inhale and then exhaling, fold your right leg and bring it closer to your upper body. Interlock your fingers and place it on the shin and use it to apply a little pressure to get the leg closer. Do it as much as comfortable. Stay in this pose with normal breathing for 10 seconds. Inhaling, release the fingers and lengthen your leg and exhaling, place the leg gently down on the mat. Practice this pose 3 times on both sides. And the last pose is Supta Kapot Asana or the Reclining Pigeon Pose. This pose is a gentle lower back and hip stretch. It alleviates symptoms of sciatica as well as other problems associated with tight hips and lower back pain. Now, how to do this pose? Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the mat. Lift your left leg up off the floor and place the ankle across the thigh of your right leg. So the ankle is placed just outside the quad, close to the knee. Your lower body will look like a figure 4. Lift your right leg off the floor slightly and place your hands and interlock your fingers around your shin. Now pull the leg closer to your chest. Stay in this pose for 10 seconds before repeating it on the other side. Now repeat the pose on the other side. Lift your right leg up and off the floor and place the ankle across the thigh of your left leg close to the knee. Lift your left leg off the floor slightly and place your hands and interlock fingers around your left shin. Now pull the leg closer to your chest. Stay in this pose for 10 seconds. This completes one set. Practice this pose 3 times on both the sides. Doing pigeon pose on your back helps support your lower back and puts less pressure on your hips. It also stretches your glutes, hips and the piriformis muscle. However, avoid this pose in cases of hernia, ulcers, slip disc, hip and knee injuries. Sciatica can often disturb your normal everyday routine, but with the help of these yoga poses, you can ease the pain. But guys, if any pose causes pain or discomfort, it's always okay to modify or stop it altogether. The key is to find what works for you and your body. Also, make sure to consult a medical practitioner before you try this at home to know what is right for you. Do share your thoughts and keep watching this space for more such content.